Hello everyone. So in this video we have to draw a very interesting concept today. So this is the pattern which we have to draw. So if you can notice, let us first draw the equation. Okay, so definitely the equation is going to be j plus I less or equal to 5, okay, or j minus I less or equal to minus 6. Correct? This is going to be the equation. Let us first write out this equation over here. Equation is j plus, okay, so this is caps lock, j plus I less or equal to 5 or j minus I less or equal to minus 6. This is our equation. Let us see if the equation is correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. Next, the value of I is less than 12. And it is less than 6. Correct? So this is your pattern equation now. Pattern is absolutely correct. Now we have to print the values. So if you can notice, for the first very triangle, if you can notice, up to which the I is less or equal to 5. For up to I is less or equal to 5, that is for the first very pattern, what will we do? We will write something very interesting, okay? So you just have to form the equation by yourself, don't worry about that. So every time you will be writing up something like this, you have to write the equation by your own. So I will write when I is less or equal to 5. Then print a statement you have to form your equation by your own. So I will be forming 5 minus I minus j. What do we mean by that? I'll tell you. I have written up the concept 5 minus I minus j. Okay. And then after calculating this, I'm asking them to plus do 65. So how am I going to calculate it? Assume the value of I, then the value of j. Okay. So initially the I key value will be 0 and j key value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Correct? 5 minus 0 minus 0. What it will be? 5. So 5 plus 65. It will be what? 70. 70 ka Unicode value F. Next time 5 minus I minus j, again 5 minus 0 minus 1. It means 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 plus 65 ka Unicode value E. Next time again 5 minus 1, D, then C, then B, then A. So this is the logic behind using this concept. Next, for the else wala part, what we will do for the rest of the part. Okay, what we will do now, we will take another variable called as counter, as we have already done it. I will initialize it to 0 now. I will do a very interesting concept over here. Please take a look. So whenever the row will be changing now, I'll be taking a temp variable and will initialize it with counter every time. Okay. Now what will I say? I will say else In else, we will be typing out what. Oh, firstly, I have to just characterize it. So I will be writing typecast into character. Now what I have to typecast is, I will be taking the temp ka variable, decrement it, and then plus do 65. So what does it mean now? Let me just show you. So I have said temp ka variable will be initialized to 0, right, for the first time. So temp ka variable is initialized to 0 for sure. Next, plus 65. So पहली बारी में it will be equal to 65, right? Next time I will increment it at the bottom. First of all, let me just show you. Okay, so like we have already did it before, over here after the closing of the J loop, I will say if I is greater than 5, in fact, then only I have to do what? I have to increment the counter every time. So every time the counter key value will get increased, and that will be provided to temp. So 1 minus minus, that is again 0. So that will print A. Next time counter key value get increased, हो गई 2. तो 2 minus 1, next time क्या आ जाएगा? नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास? A. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम आ जाएगा आपके पास 2 minus minus is 1, and 1 plus 65 is 66. That means you are going to print B. Next time counter key value will get decreased, and then temp key value will get decreased, and then it will print A. This is how we are going to print this pattern. Hope you guys understand it. Thank you very much.